NBC29 forecast.
And the scene from Wintergreen tonight. Certainly this cold snap has been very conducive to make snow, and certainly the local ski resorts are certainly taking advantage of that. You can see the skiers and boarders out there. 26 currently on the mountain, and it'll be a beautiful weekend to head to the slopes or anything else you may want to do outside. Let's first of all take a look at our numbers for today. 41 and 23. We will be much colder than 23 tonight. 36 is our current reading. We have dew points, which measure moisture content in the atmosphere. The lower the number, the drier the air. So again, with clear skies tonight, dry air and light wind, temperatures will be certainly colder than what we saw this morning. 37 and 16, the high-low pair there in Stanton today, already 32. And you can see a lot of locations at this hour still in the low to middle 30s here across central Virginia. Already have some lower 30s showing up in the Shenandoah Valley. And as I mentioned, 26 there on the mountain at Wintergreen. So temperatures tonight, upper teens, mid to upper teens across central Virginia, lower teens in the Shenandoah Valley. But after that cold start tomorrow morning, we're actually going to see temperatures begin to rebound. We'll have a little bit of a southwesterly wind tomorrow. Atmosphere should moderate a bit, so most of us in the low, if not some middle 50s here for a more comfortable or pleasant Saturday afternoon. As we look ahead, we'll still start cold early Sunday morning in the low to middle 20s, but by Sunday afternoon, how about some mid to upper 50s? And while we're dry for the weekend, we will see rain chances start to roll back in, especially later Monday afternoon, Monday evening. Temperatures will be mild into early next week. I want to show you a cool picture. This is a visible satellite picture from earlier today. Visible satellite picture is the actual sun reflecting off the clouds. Well, sometimes it reflects the snow. You can see what's moving, that's the cloud cover, but what's not moving in the earlier frames, that's the snow cover across southeastern Virginia, a lot of central and eastern North Carolina. You can also see it back in the mountains here of southwest Virginia into North Carolina as well. Things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar. A big sprawling area of high pressure out across the center of the country will influence our weather for several days. And you can see really the absence of storminess across a good portion of the lower 48. So that high will be building in our direction through the weekend, and the atmosphere will be moderating a bit. Some of the coldest air over us now and up into New England. And at the jet stream level, this dip or trough lifts out as we head through the weekend, and a ridge starts to build. So that'll promote more in the way of some warming as well out ahead of the next storm system that'll arrive later on Monday. So really a temperature forecast. In the morning, temperatures climb out of the teens and low 20s, and then tomorrow afternoon, low to middle 50s with abundant sunshine. And still a cold start early Sunday morning, lower 20s for most of the region. By Sunday afternoon, 55 to near 60. And as I mentioned, we get into Monday afternoon, that's going to be the next chance for rain with temperatures in the lower 50s. Tonight, clear, very cold. We'll make that range, say 12 to 20. And there's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, some cold mornings, but more pleasant afternoons, I should say. Low to middle 50s here for Saturday afternoon, mid to upper 50s on Sunday. And then those rain chances will return as we get into the early and middle portion of next week. Now, a stronger cold front Wednesday, we're warm out ahead of it, and then temperatures will crash by the end of next week.
Oh my, bundle up tonight,
ahead.
though.
Yeah, but just for tonight.
Yeah, just tonight.
Thank you.